first thing is fear is normal. Okay, don't treat yourself something abnormal person. Okay, why am I getting this fear? Maybe the anger also. All the negative emotions, whatever you are thinking, are negative. Actually, not negative. It is very normal. Don't judge it. Don't label it. This is good or bad. That's the first thing that we need to stop.
Okay.
Whenever we feel that fear, first drop the judgment of, oh, this is fear. That is fear. If that is a fear, according to you only,
Yeah.
and you have given the definition of fear. Okay, when I don't have money, that is a fear. You have given the definition. For me, that is not at all a fear for me.
Yeah. Hi friends, welcome back to our channel of Brahmavidya Sarvadukha Nivarini. Lot of people are asking us like they are feeling fear within selves. So how can they handle the fear? And we will ask it about our Sir Brahmavidya Guru, Miracle Mohan Sir. So let's ask him.
Yes.
Hi sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm amazing, Usha. How are you?
I'm going good, sir.
Yes.
So sir, tell me, like lot of people are facing fear within themselves. So how we can handle it?
Yeah, fear. Okay, and everybody is facing the fear nowadays. Fear
Yes.
of maybe failure, fear
Yes.
of money. What if I don't pay EMIs on time? What if I don't get job? Even if I get job, what if I don't get the desired salary?
Yes.
And what if I fail in my business? So we are in a always, I would say, constant fear.
Yes.
Fear about tomorrow.
Yeah.
What happens tomorrow? Don't know. Maybe if let's say if I have a health issues, what if I die? Okay. Actually, we are laughing, but people, maybe the audience who are watching, maybe they are in a critical situation, going through this fear, maybe going through this trauma. But the point which I want you to remember here is fear is just an imagination of something worst. Okay, if I imagining, okay, let's take your case. Did you at any point of time in your life did you feel that fear?
Yes.
Yeah.
While writing, I used to think about my results. What if I get failed? While writing exam only.
Okay.
So I feel fear at that time.
At that point of time.
Yes.
Thinking that, imagining that, okay, if I fail tomorrow, what will happen?
Yes.
Okay, and what my parents will think about me, especially what my friends will think about me, relatives will think about me. This is the biggest problem. And since, like in your case, like it is an exam fear, and
Yes.
is it really happened? Did your results are out?
No, not
No,
yet actually.
not yet.
But I'm still feeling like
Okay,
within fear. What about results I'm going to do?
That means whatever you are fearful about,
Yes.
it didn't happen. Okay, it didn't happen.
Yes.
But you are imagining that, okay, what if this goes wrong, or what if it happens like this, and overcoming it or not, if that happens, then we will see it. But okay, you are imagining, you are hoping that, okay, if I get tomorrow problems, what if I fail tomorrow? You are hoping and you are waiting to overcome that fear. But actually, is it happened? No. And you giving your more energy to that fear. That's why we are feeling that fear. Okay, if it is going to happen, let it happen. Then we will see how to figure it out. Okay, anyhow, I am there. I'm definitely, if you come across any fear, you can put it in the comment section. We will do video on that. But right now, hoping that, imagining that something will happen tomorrow, we'll see tomorrow. Anyhow, tomorrow I'll come up with another video. But you don't have to fear about what will happen to me tomorrow, day after tomorrow. If it is going to happen, let it happen. Don't resist it. What many people do is, even in this case also, two possibilities can exist. One possibility could be escape. I don't want to feel that fear, let me escape. Other one is maybe fighting with the fear. Yes. Why am I feeling this fear? Who is root cause of this fear? If the other person is root cause of this fear, maybe that fellow, like whoever the maybe would say the lender. The lender has lended some money to this person, like maybe to me. If that person calling and asking me, maybe I feel the fear. Yes. maybe I fight like why this person is doing like this even though he's having so much of money, why he's like this. Maybe sometimes we argue it, either we argue or what we do is escape it, which means suppressing it, not actually feeling that fear. Escaping means without feeling it, okay, I don't want this, because fear is not a good emotion. What is that?
Good emotion, not a good emotion.
Not a good emotion.
Yes.
And it is we judging between good and bad, positive and negative. It's an emotion, that's all. It's an emotion. Whatever the emotion could be, it is a not positive, it is not negative, it is we giving the judgment, it is we are labeling this is positive, this is negative.
Yes.
And if you say, if you consider what is fear according to you may not be fear according to me.
Yes.
Even when I was studying, when I was a student, I had this fear, but now right now I don't have any fear at all about maybe exams, about fear. Maybe I may feel the fear in the future, but if that happens at certain point of time, I will feel it. If any problem I come across, I will face it, and I know for sure, definitely I have that potential within me. And whatever, because now in the first case, why we are feeling that fear, any problem. In that case, since you are a maybe student at this point of time, maybe that is a big thing for you right now. Okay, that's very important thing for you. Maybe like I want to clear my exams and I wanted to feel confident about myself, and my family members should be feel confident about me, proud about me. That's very important for you. And maybe for our audience, maybe they wanted to manifest more money, clear out all their debts, and of course it is very important for you. But the thing which you need to remember is here, the fear is not real. Fear is not real. You are imagining it again and again. That becomes a habit, and nothing to do with the fear, nothing to do with the problem. And this is the problem here. Maybe paying money, not able to pay EMI, then there is a fear. Not able to get clients in the business, fear. Which means it's a problem to me. I'm not able to pay it, or I'm not able to get the customers. So that is a fear. So now, which means like a problem. I have some problem. And I want every one of you to remember this. Each and every problem that we get, all of those problems can be easily handled by us, because I get only problems which I am capable of solving it. The problem which I'm having, you don't have any such kind of problems. The problem which you are going through, I don't have such problems. It's because only you can handle those problems, so you are getting those problems. Since I can handle all of these problems, so I'm getting these problems. So we have that potential within us to solve those problems. It is simply we are so scared. Okay, what if that happens? What if this happens? And that is why many people are feeling that fear, and this is the root cause.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then how we can overcome through that?
Yeah. And how we can overcome through that fear is, the first thing is, fear is normal. Okay, don't treat yourself something abnormal person. Okay, why am I getting this fear? Maybe the anger also, all the negative emotions, whatever you are thinking are negative, actually not negative. It is very normal. Don't judge it, don't label it this is good or bad. That's the first thing that we need to stop.
Okay.
Whenever we feel that fear, first drop the judgment of, oh, this is fear, that is fear. If that is a fear according to you only, and you have given the definition of fear. Okay, when I don't have money, that is a fear. You have given the definition. For me, that is not at all a fear for me. So if that is not a fear for me, then it has to do with my perception, not to do with my problem. It has to do with my perception. And why we feel this fear, it's because we must know that if whatever we are feared about, whatever we are scared of in this physical world is not permanent. Everything is going to be keep changing. Problems you have, maybe today you have a lot of problems, money problem, job problem, relationship problem. And let me give you guarantee. I'll give guarantee, not warranty, but guarantee. Okay, maybe after a month, maybe after 2 months, 6 months, 1 year, that problem is not going to be there. Relax. Definitely, that is because we are living in a universe where nothing is permanent. Only the soul. This is eternal. This is permanent. This is divine. This consciousness. This energy. The divine essence. This is permanent. The Brahman, God. This is permanent. And rest everything is keeps changing. Money Yes, maybe today you don't have any money at all in your bank account. Maybe you don't have good relationships today. Maybe you don't have good health today. Maybe you don't have a good business today, and maybe you're not successful in your life. This is completely okay. But obviously, definitely in the future it is going to improve. And if it is like if you are having more money, definitely it may fall down. I'm
Yes.
not blessing actually, but it is the truth.
Yeah.
Okay, money keeps changing and people keeps changing, health keeps changing. So now you are feared about only about what the things which with the things which keeps changing.
Changing, yeah.
About money, I have a fear. What if I don't pay? About my health, what if I die? It's a fear. Relationships, oh, what if I lose that person? Okay, what if I die? What happens to my family members? Who will take care of my family members? It's a fear. So this fear comes only when we don't understand completely about ourselves. We know about ourselves only like on a maybe to some extent about this body, about this mind only. But beyond all of this, we have the dominant part which is within us only, that is the soul, non-physical being, non-physical part. Physical part, non-physical part. Probably you can you will remind, please remind me, we will do a separate video on this physical being
Sure.
and non-physical being. Like physical part, yes, both exist in our in the same body, like both
Yes.
exist in the same me only. But the physical one, the non-physical one, we'll discuss about it. But remember this, the non-physical being, whatever which exists within us only, that is the dominant part. What does this body mind is going through certain changes? You may feel fear and you may come across that problem again, like maybe after a month, after a week. You don't have to fear now hoping that it will come after a 1 week. If it is coming, if at all coming that after 1 week, let's see like how we can fix it, how we can sort it, how we can overcome it. But right now, don't wait for the problem to come to your life, then okay, I'll figure it out. Right now, right here, relax yourself. First drop the judgment of fear, not fear, positive, negative, that is actually killing our life. When we see everything I'm not saying this, great master Abraham, she says beautifully, when you see the way source sees, everything looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Which means we are not able to see from that dimension. We are only seeing from this physical dimension. Oh, this is good, this is bad, this is a negative, this is positive. And when you drop that judgment, you treat that fear the same way you treat love, same in the same way, treat that fear also. The fear will vanish. That is the only way to overcome that fear, not to overcome that problem. You may overcome that problem now and you can overcome that fear now. If you come across a problem again, you will feel that fear again. Yeah.
Thank you, sir,
Yeah.
for letting us know how we can handle our fear very well.
Mm.
So, friends, you know now how you can handle your fear within yourself, and I'm sure you have learned a lot from this video. Mention that 3 things you have learned from this video in the comment section, and if you want to manifest more, like your dreams, easily and quickly, then register for our upcoming Brahmavidya classes. The link is in the comment and description box below. And if you want a personal guidance from sir, then contact to above number and book your appointment right away. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such content, and click the bell icon. You will be notified whenever we upload new videos, and we will see you in the next episode. Bye bye guys, love you.